So guys, what's up? I'm here once more and I'm testing out a mic. This mic is the iRay DW10 and yo, this mic is very small, very neat. I'm gonna wipe it off a bit because like it is prone for fingerprints, right? So this is the iRay DW10. This is the charging case, right? So you have two transmitter and one receiver. And yo, it's super light. Let me show you what the transmitter. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Let me mute this mic. So the reason why this mic is actually pretty cool because like I literally just take it out the case and it's on. Like there's no time to turn it on. You get me? So because you have a power button that is right here. Is it going to pick up? Don't pick up my face. So you have a power button that is right here, right? And then you have a FX button as well, so you can change the type of sound, you get me, like how you want it to sound. But I rather just stick with the standard effect. I rather just stick with the standard sound effect because like yo, the standard sound effects sounds way better, you get me. And legit, this mic is super cool because it has like a built-in AI audio denoiser technology. I'm like, interesting, very interesting. But one thing I do realize is that I only can get the right side, which, when is this? I'm getting, yes, I only get in like the right side, so it doesn't look like it records stereo. So this seemed like a one channel thing for me, you get me? But I don't know, maybe I just need to do some more research on it or so, because like I've been trying to like switch it up to see if I can get both sides, but only getting one side, you get me? So this is the box that it comes in, right? And the box of all the information on it. One of the main key information on it on the box is that, yo, it works up to 15 hours, right? Dialogue, digital and analog output, right? Because you have a type C and you also have a 3.5 jack, but that's only for the receiver, right? The transmitters doesn't come with a mic output. The transmitter doesn't come with a 3.5 mic where you can like, you know, pin on a lapel or so. That's one of the downsides to these mic, but yo, it's super compact. So I can't even complain about that because like compared to the iRay DW30, which is this one, this is the charging case. This is a really big charging case, right? And look at the comparison between them, right? Like if you just want to just snap this onto somebody without using like a lapel, this is way easier. This is kind of weighty, as you can see. This is really weighty, you get me? But this has way more features to me. I'm going to test this mic out today and see what it sounds like out in the, you know, in an uncontrolled environment, right? So I'm in my home studio, so yeah, the audio is going to be pretty good. So let's go on the road. I'm actually going to Taito, Jamaica today. Yes, finally getting some new stuff from my van. All right, so I'm legit, so I'm legit outside right now, right? So music, some Christian music playing in the background, somebody working on some house or something like that, some hammering going on. So I don't know what the audio sounds like, and you know, typically I'm going to add like some voice isolation thing in it so you guys can hear like the before and after, you get me? So why this mic is sticking out like this? Yeah, so this, as you can see, this is what it looks like, right? Straighten. So this is what it looks, I mean, this is what it focus. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like, right? Sounds good to you? I don't know, you tell me. So I'm going to go on the road and see if it, you know, manage in a more chaotic environment. Because like, this is fine, this is okay. So let's go. Alright guys, I'm actually here testing out both mics, you get me? Yeah, so this is my van getting, you know, a different type of look, different type of vibe. He's cleaning off the headlights, right? So what's the process what's the process for cleaning off this headlight now?
Alright, so first we start with now 1,000 bits on paper. So you have to scuff it first.
Yeah.
1,000 bit. So get out the excessive dirt. Scuff it until it start getting clean. And then
I can see the difference.
right. So after I'm finished with this now, you see the water start getting clean.
Yeah.
So after that, I'll go like a 2,000 bit, which is a smoother bit. And then final scuff it. You can go up to 3,000.
Yo, but it look extremely clean already. When I came here, I saw the exact difference of it.
All right. And this is just the first step.
This is the first step.
First step. This is the second step.
So this is the second step.
So this is the finer sandpaper.
Interesting. Nice and clean. Alright, so I have to do a lot of noise isolation in this video because you know that based on how the surrounding is, this is a workshop. So yeah. This is what the headlight looked like, and this is what it look like now. You see me? Man, I didn't work, man. It's really good. Just at the front. Alright, so I'm gonna clean it up, and then he's going to add this Bullbar to it, right? So this is going to be added on to the vehicle. Yes. I say this at the wow moment.
Alright, so this are the buffing compound now. This are going to do the shining. So this are the shining process.
Yeah. Yeah, wipe it in.
Right. So buffing in slowly. And the compound work.
I am surprised right now how good this looks.
Magic.
Magic.
Magician is here.
I said magician is here. Compared to, you can't see the difference now. Because if you look at the one at the, like on the right part of the screen, you can see that, yo, it's a bit, you know, not clear. And then this one is pretty clear.
This one, I'll show you the light then.
Yeah, I clip on that first, fog light, then
You're blind, you know.
wow. Nice. Make sure so everything is accounted for. Nice.
Alright, so basically we're going to install the fog lamps in the bracket.
Yeah.
So that's the first step. And the indicator and the park lamp, which is these. So we're going to install them. But I put in this first, fit in the bracket in the bumper, and then we install this after.
Nice.
So this is going to be after.
And that's easy fit on.
Yeah.
ᴄᴜ.
Alright, so we are going to install the clips. So this is for the adjustment of the light. The adjusting screw.
Adjusting screw, to adjust it.
Yeah, with the spring.
Oh, to tilt it.
Spring tension, yeah.
Oh, nice. That's interesting.
So we can adjust the light whichever way you want. Do I want it shine up, down,
Or direct.
right, or direct. So this is it. So you adjust this screw with a Phillips screwdriver. And this we can do this when it is fitted on the vehicle.
Oh, nice. before you put on the headlight before you actually install the bumper.
Yeah.
Because there's no way could I get another group them there.
Yeah, just unpackage the bolt and just clear them out.
Yeah, that's so
Clear
you,
them out.
and you memorize all of those bolts and nuts and know where to go.
Yes, so that's why we clear them off. So that.
Oh, you clear them off before
Yes.
you
Right.
okay, makes sense.
So that kind of make it easier. So when you clear them off, now we can identify which one go where.
Oh,
So
sick.
make it easier. So we just have to turn the buffer. Come down. Side mark on it.
So this you don't know?
Like you cover here, like cover the. Oh, Simo, explain that.
Explain why do you know?
Alright, so we have fit on the buffer. Basically finish. This a finish look. And also protect the bumps. Like if you bump in or something.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Oh, so that means you can easily replace this if
Right, this can replace.
Oh, nice. That's plastic.
Rubber.
Okay.
Rubber.
Oh, it's like a hard rubber. Yeah.
Alright.
So you get some kind of absorption, so you bump.
So
Now
excited.
what turn him on? Turn. Yeah, let's split it in. Now turn. Hold. Yeah, turn it. Flip it now.
mean,
Yeah,
this
flip it.
itself?
Yeah. Hold the buffer. Turn it again. Removing the reinforcement now. So we're going to pull the nuts. So these 4 nuts hold on this
Nice.
reinforcement. Install. We are going to install this bracket.
That's going to replace the old reinforcement.
Yeah,
Okay.
we are replacing with that.
And provide a base.
Alright, so this is you seeing me on camera right now, you see me? So basically, testing out this audio and getting my van, upgraded for the off-road adventure lifestyle. It's pretty good. I don't know if the audio is going to sound good in post when I'm back home. You get me, but let's see what it sounds like. Hear the truck? Yeah, let's see what it sounds like. I'm not going to do any form of setting right now. Music playing in the background and stuff like that. So, yeah.
Take out about that. Take it. Let's start on. This bracket, we're going to install this bracket first because we have to use this to bolt this end.
Yeah.
This end height. So we have to install this piece first. So push this through the chassis to line up with this hole, and then we catch this end.
Oh, easy to catch the end. Oh.
Right, so this bolt
Yeah.
is going to bolt on this.
Oh.
Okay. So
Yo.
there's a hole on the chassis that this line.
Yo. Trust me, the man them know what them do.
So this is the bracket. This is the
Yeah.
bracket bolt on the bar.
Oh, nice.
So this bar replaces the reinforcement, and it is the bracket for the ARB.
Bar time. Just like that.
Inside.
Yeah, let's keep it.
Yeah. Hold on. Hold it, Gillian. Let's sit there. Let's sit there, side. You know, drop it. Just hold it. Hold on, see. Oh, it's still. Oh, it's still.
Almost done. Yeah, almost done.
Cine.
All right, process almost finished. See my jacket up.
So we just install the new ARB bumper Snorkel. So the Snorkel now takes like roughly about 3 hours because we had to remove the fender liner. We had to cut the panel in order to install it. Remove the air cleaner, which is inside the bonnet. Then the second step, what we did, we cleaned the headlights. So the headlamps was dirty, so we cleaned them, scuffed them with sandpaper, buffed them with the buffing machine, get them back all shiny and pretty. And then the next step, what we did now, to install the ARB bumper, what we did, we installed the fog lamp brackets with the fog lamps and the indicator and the park light, right? So we did all of that before we actually put it on the vehicle. So we did that on our bumper stand. All right. So after we did the fog lamp brackets, then we removed the reinforcement, the front reinforcement of the chassis, and then we installed the ARB brackets to actually accommodate the ARB bumper. And then we had to cut the fender liner. We had to cut the fender liner in order to have it fit back and fitted neatly. So we fit these plates which cover this section of the vehicle so it don't leave open. And then we install the license plate bracket. So this license plate bracket, you can lift it up. So if this vehicle has a winch, so if you want to install a winch, the winch should be installed right here. So this now would be like a cover for the winch. So you don't see the winch until you're ready to use it. Right. So basically that's it. And we took like 48 hours to do this. It could be done in less than that. We know we have to take time and deal with it thorough to get it neat and done properly. So basically this is the finished product.